Today, we're talking about how to translate our core messages across totally different digital platforms without losing an ounce of authenticity. You know the drill. You see a brilliantly researched corporate blog post, but then it gets awkwardly chopped up, shoved into a 15-second social video, and it just feels off. It's totally jarring. Well, today, we are going to learn exactly how to stop that disconnect by mastering your story's underlying architecture, meaning both its structural framework and its narrative voice.
So, why do good stories fail when moved to a new platform? It's a fascinating question because it really is the central conflict for digital storytellers right now. According to our sources, it almost always boils down to a lack of intentionality. Creators are constantly trying to save time by forcing a rigid, one-size-fits-all story onto a medium where it literally just doesn't belong. The environment completely changes, but the story's shape stubbornly stays the same. And guess what? Your audience feels that friction immediately.
To fix this, we'll quickly run through our agenda for today. First, we'll hit the platform adaptation problem, then frameworks for story structure, followed by 3 specific adaptation strategies, mastering your narrative voice, and finally, utilizing the core narrative guide. Starting right off with Section 1, the platform adaptation problem.
Look, audiences easily sniff out disingenuous corporate messaging. Experienced storytellers stress this over and over. Authenticity is absolutely paramount. If your story feels like a cynical copy-paste job, maybe awkwardly forcing a stiff, highly corporate tone into a fast, intimate social feed, your audience will detect that in a heartbeat. It ruins the pacing, breaks trust, and they are definitely going to tune out. It's basically the digital equivalent of wearing a tuxedo to a beach party. You just clearly don't understand the room.
That brings us to Section 2, Frameworks for Story Structure.
Developing a platform-aware story means you need a really strong, flexible skeleton. Short-form copywriting frameworks give your content a deeply logical flow. We've got 2 incredibly powerful models here. First is PAS, Problem, Agitate, Solution. This is absolutely perfect for problem-solving content. Imagine a social media thread about a frustrating software bug. That's the problem. You agitate it by highlighting the lost revenue and wasted time, and then you offer your software patch as the sweet solution. Second is ADA, Attention, Interest, Desire, Action. This one is built purely for maximum engagement. You grab attention with a striking visual, build interest with a crazy statistic, cultivate desire with the ultimate benefit, and boom, hit them with a call to action.
The secret sauce here, as the source material points out, is that you need to mirror how viewers actually process stories. Applying familiar structures like ADA or PAS guarantees a smooth narrative progression, whether it's a 30-second short or a text thread. You're basically working with human psychology instead of fighting against it.
But to truly pull that off, you've got to map out your storyboard before production even starts. You need to plan for visual moments before you ever hit record. Instead of just writing a huge block of text, you strategically plan out sudden visual shifts, like a dramatic cut, right inside your outline. You're building that visual rhythm into the foundation, so when the platform demands a faster pace, your structure is already there to support it. And speaking of planning, using a subtitle for clarity is another perfect example of why you must plan visual cues before production. These visual elements shouldn't be random afterthoughts for the editor to figure out. By scripting exactly when a crucial subtitle drops, or when a camera angle shifts, you are actively guiding the viewer's attention right where you want it. Moving right along to Section 3, 3 story adaptation strategies. Let's see how this plays out in the real world. Strategy number 1 is all about modifying your pacing. If you are on a fast-paced platform, you have to compress your exposition down to just a few highly engaging lines or a single arresting visual. Feed scrollers want immediate value, right? They aren't going to wait. But if you're adapting that same story for a long-form blog or a video essay, you totally shift gears. You let the exposition breathe with way more context because that audience actually wants to be immersed. Now, strategies 2 and 3 show how we adapt narrative voice. Imagine we're explaining a complex scientific discovery. Strategy 2 might be an animated explainer video, right? So we adapt with an enthusiastic and simplified voice to hook a broad audience. Strategy 3 takes that exact same science story to a microblog text thread. Here, we adapt by shifting to a technical, wry voice, throwing in some data charts and dry humor for a highly tech-savvy crowd. The core facts are identical, but the delivery completely transforms. Think about the phrase, "imagine a world where." You can literally feel the energy there. This quote from the text perfectly captures that simplified, enthusiastic voice. It shows how we can humanize the brand while keeping the facts straight. Now, contrast that with the analytical text thread we just talked about. Both versions reflect the storyteller's passion,
but they meticulously tune the vocabulary and style to match the exact expectations of that specific digital space. Which leads us perfectly into Section 4, Mastering Your Narrative Voice.
If structure is your map, voice is the vehicle. Your voice has to nail these elements: language, tone, point of view, character consistency, and audience expectations. It has to be instantly recognizable. Even if you're shifting from a super formal essay to a candid, behind-the-scenes social feed, character consistency is absolutely vital. You can use a personal point of view to humanize things, but it has to align with your overall identity. It's a real balancing act.
So how do we keep all this organized across so many platforms? That's Section 5, the Core Narrative Guide.
This is your secret weapon. A core narrative guide is simply a short reference defining the story's theme, main character's voice, and key messages, and it's used as a baseline for rewriting content. Whether you're scripting a podcast or editing a rapid-fire video, this guide ensures you stay completely true to the story's original DNA. It's your anchor. As you realign your structure with Ada or tweak your tone, this document ensures the soul of your story never gets lost in translation.
As we wrap up this explainer, I really want to leave you with this provocative thought. How will you adapt your next story's DNA without losing its soul? By using intentional structure, planning your visual cues, and anchoring your voice with a core narrative guide, you can confidently tell your stories anywhere.